Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Who all are new in my channel, click the subscribe button and you are welcome into my family. Today I'll share with you 5 practical rules for getting the esteem of others. By the way, in my past video I told you because of some problem I wasn't able to upload my video, so I separate this topic in two parts. If you didn't watch part 1, then link is in my description, go and watch. My first rule is be a comfortable person. That is one with whom people can associate without a sense of strain. A comfortable person is easygoing and natural. He has a pleasant, kindly, genial way about him. A stiff, reserved, unresponsive individual never meshes into the group. He is always just a bit out of it. You never quite know how to take him or how he will react. Be an old hat or an old pair of shoes or an easy old coat kind of individual. Our second rule is learn to remember names. I remember when I was in school, I always participated in every program as a singer. Because of that, so many people knows my name very well. One day, I was passing by one of my junior. I didn't recognize her, but she recognized me and called me with my name. On that moment, my face broke into a beautiful smile. From that day, I never forget her, and my love for her and respect for her increased every day. A man's name is very important to him, so try to remember people's name. Our third rule is don't negate people. For example, you are in a group and someone tells a joke and everybody laughs with appreciation and pleasure except yourself. You say to that person, I saw this joke in a magazine last month. Of course, it will make you feel quite important to let others know of your superior knowledge, but how does it make the man feel who told the joke? You have robbed him of the satisfaction of having told a good story. You have crowded him out of his brief moment in the limelight and served attention to yourself. Nobody in that group is going to like you for what you did, and certainly not the man whose story you spoiled. Whether you like the joke or not, let the storyteller and the others enjoy it. Remember, he may be a little embarrassed and shy. It would have done him good to have received a response. Don't deflate people, build them up, and they will love you for it. Our fourth rule is practice liking people. Late Will Rogers said, I never met a man I didn't like. Learning to pray for people was important in our rehabilitation. For when you pray for anyone, you tend to modify your personal attitudes towards him. The best in the other person begins to flow out towards you as your best flows towards him. Essentially, getting people to like you is merely the other side of liking them. That is the way to make people to love you When you opened up to them, they will open up to you like flowers to the sun. Our fifth rule is never let your past boast over you. If you have gone through life up to this point without having established satisfactory human relationships, do not assume that you cannot change. But it will be necessary to take very definite steps towards solving the problem. You can change and become a popular person, well liked and esteemed, if you are willing to make the effort. May I remind you, as I remind myself, that one of the greatest tragedies of the average person is the tendency to spend our whole lives perfecting our faults. We develop a fault and we nurse it and cultivate it and never change it. Don't spend more of your life perfecting faults in human relations. Spend the rest of your life perfecting your great capacities for friendliness. In the last, I just want to tell you, be kind, be natural, and normally humble. Try to do everything sincerely. I promise, after few days, you can see the changes on you and you are gonna love it. That's all for today. Practice these rules until you learn to do so genuinely. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.